kids, welcome to Anudeep YourStudyBuddy. So this is the introductory video for grade 8 NSO National Science Olympiad, which is conducted by SOF Science Olympiad Foundation. So this exam is conducted at 2 levels. The student who clears level 1 exam will appear for level 2 exam. Now let's understand these levels.
SOF Level 1 is organized in the respective school of participant during school hours. This level consists of total question numbers 50, which comprises of total marks 60, and the duration is 60 minutes. Now this test has 3 sections. Section 1 is logical reasoning. Total number of questions from this section are 10, which consist of 1 mark each. Logical reasoning consists of verbal and non-verbal reasoning questions. Section 2 is science, which includes all the science topics of the syllabus. Number of questions from this section are 35, which consist of 1 mark each. Section 3 is achievers sections, which includes high order thinking questions as per the syllabus of section 2 only. And number of questions from this section are 5, which consist of 3 marks each. NSO Level 2 exam is organized in the centers finalized by SOF. Now this exam has the total duration of 60 minutes, which consists of total questions 50, comprises total marks of 60. This level has 2 sections. Section 1, science, which includes number of 45 questions, 1 mark each, and section 2 achievers section, having 5 number of questions, 3 marks each.